In this video, you are going to see how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Office or Microsoft Word. To enable the dark mode, go to File, go to Option, and here you will find the option Personalize your copy Microsoft Office and select the Office theme. If I click on the colorful and click on OK, and here you will see I have changed the Office theme. Go to File, go to Option, and again click on the black and click on OK, but you will see the page color also changed, so I need it white. So go to File, go to Option, and just click on Never change the document page color and click on OK, and here you will see the page color is white but the theme is black. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.